video, we are going to look at participles. Now, this is a little bit more advanced grammar, but it is very useful. It is used in everyday speaking, in writing, and in reading because you can see participles everywhere. So, let us talk about what does participle do. They help you in making sentences for writing. They also help you to make your sentence short. And one more thing, if necessary, participles help you to give a little bit style in your sentence. Now, if you find my video is helpful for you, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you are a new visitor to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome to the slide. I have prepared this chapter and divided this into few slides. In the first slide, you'll get 2 examples. In the second slide, you are going to know about the definition of participles and its classes or types. And in the third and fourth slide, you'll get certain more examples which would help you to know these chapter well. Starting with the first slide, and here we get a bold heading written in red color. Read the following sentences. Do you see the jumping boy? And the second one, do you see the car driven by my cousin? See, both the pictures are given there. Now, let us talk about do you see the jumping boy? Which boy? The boy who is jumping. The word jumping points out to the boy. It is therefore like an adjective. The word jumping is formed from the verb jump by adding ing. It is therefore like a verb also. The word jumping is both like a verb and an adjective. It is therefore a verb adjective, right? Such a word is called a present participle. And sentence number 2, do you see the car driven by my cousin? Which car? The car driven by my cousin. The word driven points out to the car. It is therefore like an adjective. The word driven is formed from the verb drive by adding n. It is therefore like a verb. The word driven is both like a verb and an adjective. So it is called a past participle. Now in the next slide we get what are participles. Participles are forms of verb which partake of the nature of both an adjective and a verb. They are mainly of 2 classes, present and the past or perfect participles. The present participles expresses an action that is still going on and not completed and are formed by adding ing. This is the key word how you can recognize the present participle. The past or perfect participle expresses an action completed and are formed by adding certain words. I have mentioned certain words like ed, d, t, en or n to the verb like cleared, heard, learned, broken, shown, etc. In the next slide, I have mentioned few phrases and the underlined words are the present participles like the singing bird, the crying baby, the laughing clown, the rising star, the smiling face, the flying kite, the marching band, and so on. In the last slide, I have mentioned some sentences and the word underline will help you to know the past participles better. Like, I saw myself the letter posted. The letter posted. By adding ed, I have mentioned the word posted. He is a man liked by all. I have just add a d to the verb like. Watch that car driven at full speed. Drive, driven. Only n is added to the verb drive. He is the doctor known in the whole village. Know, known. That's the boy invited to play. Invite, invited. There were many trees laden with fruits. Some more examples are like there were many trees laden with fruit. See the trees bent to the ground. Rama is a boy trusted by his friends.